Last episode, we finished the characters, scenes, pacing, and shot design. But even at this stage, most people still have the same question. I know what each shot looks like, but I still don't know if the final video will actually work. In this episode, we move into one of the most important stages before generation: keyframe previews and video clips. This is where you stop generating blindly and start previewing the full video before rendering. Part 1. Keyframe Previews. This stage lets the AI preview the most important frames of your video before generation. Each segment gets its own keyframe, so you can quickly check whether the character looks right, whether the atmosphere works, and whether the visuals match the music. A lot of bad AI videos already fail at this stage. If you're not happy with the first generated keyframe, there are 3 common ways to fix it. First, replace the reference image. Click Replace in the top right corner. Then upload a new image or select one from your generation history. This is the fastest option when you already know the visual direction you want. Second, rewrite the prompt. Upload a character reference image and adjust the scene, lighting, mood, or camera description so the AI regenerates the frame in a new direction. Third, and the easiest method for beginners, just tell the AI what feels wrong directly in the chat. For example, frame 1 doesn't match the previous color tone. Unify the atmosphere and color palette. The AI will regenerate that specific keyframe based on your feedback. Part 2. Video clips. Once the keyframes are confirmed, the system starts generating video clips. This is where every segment turns into actual motion video. These are not final edits yet. They are the building blocks of the full music video. One of the biggest mistakes people make here is only judging clips individually. A clip can look good on its own and still fail inside the full sequence. What matters now is whether the transitions feel smooth, whether the emotion flows naturally, whether the character stays consistent, and whether the movement feels connected. At this stage, you need to watch the project as one complete video. If you're unhappy with a generated clip, you don't need to restart everything. Click Replace to reopen previous generations and swap the clip reference. You can also rewrite the video prompt. Then click Generate Video to regenerate the segment.